Welcome to the future, where power meets innovation in the form of the Moto G24 Power. This latest budget smartphone from Lenovo's portfolio is set to redefine your digital experience. Imagine a device that's all about performance. That's the Moto G24 Power for you, powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 SoC. It delivers a powerful and efficient performance tailored to your needs. Visuals matter, and this device doesn't disappoint. The Moto G24 Power boasts a 6.56-inch HD plus IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It offers an immersive visual experience that will captivate your senses. Capture the world in its true essence with the dual rear camera setup. The impressive 50-megapixel main sensor coupled with a 2-megapixel macro shooter ensures every detail is captured with precision. The Moto G24 Power eliminates battery anxiety with its massive 6000 mAh battery. Supported by 33W fast charging, it ensures you're always powered up and ready to go. Aesthetics meet durability in the Moto G24 Power. Its stylish acrylic glass build comes in two elegant shades, glacier blue and ink blue. Connectivity is seamless with the Moto G24 Power, offering a range of options including Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi, and a USB Type-C port. Convenience is at your fingertips with the side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. Personalize your device experience with Motorola's MyUX. Luxury doesn't have to be expensive. Starting at just Rs. $8,999, the Moto G24 Power is an affordable yet feature-rich smartphone. The Moto G24 Power is available now on Flipkart, Motorola.in, and select retail stores. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your smartphone experience. Embrace the power of innovation with the Moto G24 Power, powering your every moment.